guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over the things that I have been loving for the month of January. Not all of these things are beauty related, but we have moved into the new year, into 2020. So there's some things I'm going to touch on that I got specifically for the new year per se. So let's go ahead and get started. Of course, I live in Missouri, so it's cold now. It's finally cold. Our high today right now, our temperature outside right now is 14, which is very chilly. So one of my favorite things for the winter, or especially right now that I'm using non-stop, are these socks. These are by Barefoot Dreams. I love these socks. Now I don't typically wear them out and about, but they're very nice to have at home to keep your feet warm. They're really cute with boots, but I absolutely love these socks. They're so cozy. I also love the blankets. This is a Barefoot Dream blanket in the little leopard print. I have this on our couch and I use it every night, but I just bundle up and I absolutely love these. I typically get them during the Nordstrom anniversary sale. It's always when the Barefoot Dreams go on sale, and you can sometimes keep an eye on Nordstrom Rack. They'll have the Barefoot Dreams for sale there quite often. It's typically not this print. I think last time when I saw it was like pinks and blue, like striped, but they're very, very cute. Very soft, very cuddly. They also have like plushy blankets for babies and toys. They have comforters and bedding. So Barefoot Dreams is an awesome brand, as well as like their cardigans, which I have 2 or 3 of them, and I have a shawl. Anything Barefoot Dreams, I absolutely love. Okay, so we are going to now move into more of the beauty realm. I am finally into the Sol de Janeiro. This is a Brazilian Foreplay. I absolutely love this body wash. I've used it before, but it's been probably a year, and I think I bought this in the summer and I waited to use up my previous body wash before I got into it, and it just smells so summery and beachy, especially with it being winter. This really it's relaxing, and it does moisturize your skin. My skin doesn't feel very taut or dry after using this, so I would definitely check this out. All right, moving on to the face. So there's 2 masks that I have been using non-stop in the month of January, and this is like my 3rd pack of this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the dry facial mask, and I love these because, and I only do this one about once a week. They have these little, let me get it unfolded, and the dry mask you can use 3 times. Sometimes I can get a 4th wear out of it, but it has the little ear holes for your face, so your face goes here, and then the jawline also clips over your, or hooks over your ear, not clips. But what I also like doing, and I didn't know if I was the only one who did this, but then I watched Tati's recent video and Charlotte does the same thing, so I was like, oh, I do that too, how cool. And I've been using this for this specific pack, but these masks, but I will take it, especially the past couple weeks. My lips have been extremely dry because we're going to like cold, warm, so my skin has been freaking out, but I will take it and go up over my lips and kind of rub so that oil will get onto my lips as well, and that's been helping with the chappedness. But these masks are really, really, really nice. Another mask I've been using a ton of, and this is actually my 2nd one because I bought this originally last year and I have gone through it. This is the Origins Drink Up. It's a 10-minute hydrating mask, and I love to use this in the winter when my skin feels dry, and also in the summertime, like after I've been to the pool or been out in the sun a lot. My skin kind of feels dry, even though it may look oily. It just feels like it's parched or dehydrated. So I really, really love this mask. I love Origins in general as a brand. I think they're very good, but this just moisturizes the skin and kind of plumps it up, but it's not too heavy where you feel like you're just dousing yourself in heavy moisturizing cream. So this is a good one to check out. I believe I have a video dedicated to this. And I'll link it down below for you guys. Continuing on with the face, my favorite foundation that I've been using for months straight, and I'll kind of switch it up a little bit. I was trying to wear my Pat McGrath foundation there a little bit, but the one I always go back to, and I think I'll end up repurchasing once this is out, it's by Shiseido. This is the Synchro Skin self-refreshing foundation. I am in 260 Cashmere. It has a shelf life of 24 months down at the bottom, and I like that you can lock the top. Like right now it's locked. You twist and then you can pump. This foundation, one, matches my skin so well. Even like winter and summer, like it adjusts. I swear it adjusts to the color of your skin or the tone, but I can wear it in the winter and in the summer. It just looks so great. It's not full coverage. I would say I kind of make mine like a light to medium coverage because I sheer it out quite a bit. It does have sunscreen in it, so it has SPF 30. And it just makes your skin look very natural. It evens everything out. And it's supposed to like self-refresh, so as you make facial expressions, it's not supposed to gather in your fine lines or in your smile lines. But I overall just love this foundation. I always feel like I'm having a good face day when I wear this foundation. Continuing on, I don't have a whole lot left. When I wear blush lately, even like the past 2-3 months, the blush I've been wearing is this cream blush. I typically wear this because I recently showed this in a haul, I believe, but I've had this probably since November and I just put it in the haul. But I love this color. This is the only blush I've been wearing in the month of January. It's called Dreamer and it's by Ilia. It's the multi-stick and it is just this perfect like corally pink color. I love it, and it is great as a lipstick as well. But I absolutely love this. Typically I don't wear a whole lot of blush, but when I do, this is the one that I've been pulling for. I really, really like it. Just lightly dab it on the cheeks and then I'll like softly blend it out. A good one if you're kind of dabbling with the cream blushes. As far as eyes go, there's only been 2 palettes that I have been wearing like on my day-to-day life, not taking into account days that I film, just my day-to-day life when I go to work. There's been 2 palettes that I've been wearing. This one by, who is this by? Viseart, I think. Yeah, and it's Theory, and this is the Cashmere one. It is this little 6-pan little eyeshadow here, and these are very cool tones, but when I'm wanting cool tones, this seems to be the palette I have been gravitating towards. I use this as a transition. I pop either one of these 2 all over the lids, and I'll use this darker color to deepen up the corner of my eyes or the inner corner of my eyes. I absolutely love this palette, and I like that it's very compact and it has this cute little pull here, so you can pull it up and then it plops open. So definitely enjoy this. When it comes to other palettes, I think this palette, since I've gotten it, has been my most utilized palette. I think I got it in, when did it launch? November? I don't even remember, but it's the Tati Beauty Palette Volume 1. I absolutely love this palette. It is the eyeshadow that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. What I did today is I took the darker sequin, the Ritual Sequin. Well, no, actually, take that back. I took Soothe Matte and buffed that into my crease as a transition color. Then I went into Ritual Sequin with a very tiny, precise blending brush, and I blended it on the outside and the inner corner and kind of blew that out. And then I popped Aura Sequin in the center, and then I popped a little of Soothe glitter on top of Aura, and this is the look that I'm wearing today. Continuing on with makeup, my 2 favorite lipsticks that I've been wearing. This one is by Pat McGrath. This is Blow Up, the Lip Fetish. This is more of like a colored balm. I absolutely love this one. And then what I'm wearing currently right now is Sugar Glider by Tom Ford. I absolutely love this color. It is like a moody neutrally color, but it's kind of a deeper tone. Love. Down to the final 3. These brushes, these are by Real Techniques. I know they're kind of like their interpretation of the Artiste brushes, but these are a fraction of the price. This is the foundation brush. This looks like it's number, I think this is an S. They all say yes. So this is the foundation brush. I have been really enjoying this. It really blurs everything out. I can even get my concealer with this. And then I have the all over that if I've forgotten this one downstairs, I'll use this for my foundation. But I think what I want to dedicate this specific brush to is like body bronzing, or when I'm going to use self tanner, to use this to blend around the problematic areas, you know, around the neck, hands, elbows, fingers. I think this will be really, really good at that. And then the final brush that I have that is not for the face is actually for my hair. I typically use, I have like a bamboo paddled brush, but I wanted a boar bristle brush. It's kind of messy, but I got this at Ulta several weeks ago, and I absolutely love this brush. I love to like blow dry my hair out with it. It just, I don't know what it does. It feels completely different on my hair. It doesn't tug because these bristles kind of like bend with your hair. But I would highly suggest getting a boar bristle brush just for the fact that it doesn't feel like it's ripping your hair out. I feel like when I blow dry my hair out, it makes it smoother and less frizzy. It's very light, unlike my bamboo brush that I've been using. But I really, really, really like it. I love it, you guys. All right, and the last two things that I have for my favorites have been these two things right here. These are by Erin Condren. This is the 2020 Life Planner. It comes with stickers. I am a planner girl. I love planners, so you can break it down into your monthly, and then it breaks down into weekly. And then what I also keep in my purse is this portfolio here. And I actually got this in like one of their seasonal boxes. There's stuff in here. And it came with this like notebook that has the dot grids, and then it has this weekly intentions and goal booklet in here as well, which I haven't messed with that, but I really have been enjoying this dot grid. And you can buy individual little notebooks like this from her to put in here, so you can actually fill it up. I think it can hold 4 notebooks. And I just pop this in my purse, and I will write down like random things that I need to do, video ideas that I have, grocery lists I will sometimes write down in there if I need to remember to pick up something specifically. But I really love Erin Condren stuff. I think this is the 5th year that I've gotten one of her planners. I have introduced some of my friends to them. I also have, it's like a desk calendar, but it's only like for the weekdays, or for the week rather, and you could do like to-do list. I would highly suggest checking out Erin Condren. She has some really cool stuff, cool stickers. You can customize notebooks. She has leather bound, like she has a variety of different type of planners that you can use. It just depends on what you're into. So yeah, that is it for my January favorites. There's a button down below. Please don't forget to subscribe. It really will help my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.